Planting beets, turnips, garlic, and onions right after the winter thaw is a smart way to take advantage of early spring and secure a strong, productive harvest. These crops naturally tolerate cool temperatures and thrive in mild conditions, making the transition from winter to spring the ideal moment to begin growing. Everything starts with evaluating the soil. After the ground thaws, it may still be compacted and overly wet. Before planting, it is essential to make sure the soil is fully thawed and only slightly moist, never waterlogged. A simple test helps. Squeeze a handful of soil in your hand. If water drips out or it forms a heavy, sticky clump that doesn't break apart, wait a few more days. If it forms a light ball that crumbles easily, the soil is ready to work. Soil preparation should be done manually using a hoe, garden fork, or rake. Loosen the top layer deeply, breaking up clods and removing stones. Beets and turnips especially need loose soil to form smooth, uniform roots. These vegetables prefer well-drained soil rich in organic matter and good aeration. Mixing in well-aged compost improves soil structure and provides essential nutrients for early growth. With the soil prepared, planting begins. Beets and turnips are directly seeded into the garden bed. Create shallow furrows by hand and space the seeds properly to allow root expansion. Cover them lightly with fine soil and gently water to settle the seeds in place and activate germination. Garlic is planted as individual cloves. Each clove should be placed point side up and buried a few inches deep, spaced evenly to allow proper bulb development. Onions can be planted from seeds, sets, or small transplants. Place them carefully so the base is firm in the soil without burying them too deeply. During the first weeks, maintaining balanced moisture is critical. Because temperatures remain cool, evaporation is slower, so watering should be moderate. Overwatering can cause rot, especially in garlic and onions. Hand removal of weeds is essential to prevent competition for nutrients and space. As temperatures gradually rise, leaf growth becomes more vigorous. Beets and turnips develop strong green tops while their roots expand beneath the surface. Garlic and onions produce tall, narrow leaves, storing energy for bulb formation underground. Consistent monitoring ensures healthy development. If the soil begins to compact again, lightly loosen the surface around the plants to improve airflow. Applying a thin layer of organic mulch helps conserve moisture and regulate soil temperature as spring progresses. Harvest time arrives in stages. Beets and turnips are ready when their roots reach a desirable size, often visible at the soil surface. Gently pull them by hand to avoid damaging the roots. Garlic is ready when the leaves begin to yellow and dry. Carefully lift the bulbs from the soil and allow them to cure in a dry, well-ventilated area. Onions follow a similar process, harvested when the tops naturally fall over and begin to dry. What began with careful soil preparation after the winter thaw ends with firm roots, well-formed bulbs, and fresh food ready for the table. Growing beets, turnips, garlic, and onions at the start of spring makes full use of cool conditions and allows for an early, satisfying harvest. From loosening the soil by hand to pulling mature roots from the ground, each step contributes to a healthy and rewarding growing season. Early spring is not a limitation, it is an opportunity to plant with purpose and harvest with confidence.